What is up, everyone? This is Motorals here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching from your browser. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to launch Roblox, let's just say this one, right? This experience, and it's not launching, you get an error. The easiest way to basically fix this is we're going to go to our desktop where the Roblox, basically to find the Roblox player itself, like you can see over here, right click into this, click into open file location. Once you do that, all of the .exe files you see here, right click into them, go to properties, go to compatibility, and do run as administrator. Again, all of the exe files that you see in this specific page here. You want to do that, press apply, restart your computer, log back into Roblox, try again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. Once you guys follow these steps, you should be good to go and not have these Roblox errors persist any longer on your game. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorals out. Peace.